rum and tequila. I'm just warming up before I step into arena. I'll have a, hang on, I got it right here. A barrel of grog, sherry, port, whiskey, and a beer. See, nobody cares about all the barrels. They just asking, why one beer? Ahem. I'm drinking, I'm chugging, boy, I'm having a blast. I'll have a barrel of ale with some rum contrast. I'm drinking, I'm chugging, boy, I'm having a ball. Dry wine, pour sherry, and so much more. I'm in such a good mood, might as well drink it all. Chug it, come on! Yeah, let's get this party started. Yeah, let's get steel-hearted. Yeah, let's drink until the dawn. And when the sun hits the moon, we'll just have to respond. Yeah, I don't get into trouble, I'm self-reliant. I enjoy all sorts of booze, call me Andre the Giant. I don't have a drinking problem, I just drink, there's no problem. People around me always jolly when we party. There's no folly with me, or there's no hit or miss. If you wanna start shit, go ahead and catch this. I'm drinking, I'm chugging, boy, I'm having a blast. I'll have a barrel of ale with some rum contrast. I'm drinking, I'm chugging, boy, I'm having a ball. Dry wine, pour sherry, and so much more. I'm in such a good mood, might as well drink it all. Chug it, come on! Hey bartender, another one of all you have. Hey bartender, another one of all you have.